Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat, and today I have my very first ever Lisa Eldridge purchase. First ever purchasing the product, first ever purchasing from the website, and I have to say it got here pretty quick. Yeah, it was pricey. So we're gonna look at this little bitty box that cost me so very much and see what's inside. I have been dying to see what was in this box all day. It came this morning in the mail and I have just been wanting to open it ever since, and I was out with my friends, so I didn't get to open it. What does this say? I hope you enjoy wearing my makeup. Tag me at Lisa Eldridge Makeup on Instagram or use hashtag Lisa Eldridge Makeup. I can't wait to see. Love, Lisa X. My shipping boxes and tissue are recyclable. Please recycle them. Packed by Linda. I got 3 things, and it doesn't tell me what they are individually. Alright, hang on. I'm gonna pull it up on my laptop. Alright, so I have it pulled up here, and we're gonna just open it up because I couldn't wait. So this is what I got. I got 2 luxuriously lucent lip colors and 1 lip gloss embrace. So I got the lip gloss in Songbird. By the way, I found out about all of these products from my friends over at Beauty Has Been, Michelle and Charlotte. So sweet, so pretty. They're good at makeup. Love watching them. Go check them out. I'll put a card above and a link down below in case you want to go check them out. So look at that. I mean, just lovely packaging. This is the Songbird Gloss Embrace Lip Gloss. I paid $25 for this. Lisa Eldridge. It's got the emblem on the top. And like I said, this is Songbird. Look at that. All right, we're gonna do a little swatch here. Very glossy, very nude color. Hang on, let me just, I'll take off what I have on. We're gonna put it on. Very everyday kind of, just giving you a little sweep of color on your lips. I like it. What do y'all think? Does it suit me? Let's see if I can get it a little darker. What do you think? Feels really nice on your lips, by the way. But just a very nude, pinky kind of color, just to give your lips a little bit of accent. It is a lip gloss, so of course it is going to be thinner than a lipstick. Very nice. I like that. Do you think I'm crazy for paying $25 for lip gloss? I don't know. That was a little bit of a stretch for me, but I just wanted to try something that was a little more name brandy, because I did like that Marc Jacobs that I tried. Okay, so these are, like I said, Lisa Eldridge Luxurious Lucent Lip Color. I got 1 in Spirited Away and 1 in Painterly. So let me see. I think Spirited Away is lighter and Painterly is darker, so we're gonna go with that. They really package. Fancy, fancy. Look how pretty. Show that right. There we go. All right, so here we are. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Can y'all see that emblem in there? I hope y'all can see that it's got the stamped emblem on the lipstick. That's cool. All right. Let's put it on. What do you think? I don't know, it's not too bad. It feels nice on my lips. Maybe a little more rough than I would have liked. Yeah, that just goes to show you how different they look on every person. Because really, they looked a lot different on Beauty Has Been than they are on me. Not that I don't like them. I do like them. This was $36. Do you think that goes with my color? Is it too rust? Too brown? Or is it just because of the eye makeup I have on today? Because that might make a difference. All right, let me take this one off and we will try Painterly. You see Bonnie out there? Miss Bonnie's outside right now, so. All right, so here is Painterly. Y'all see the emblem? Let's try Painterly on. Actually, this one doesn't look darker than the other one. I might have to start using lip liner, y'all. Alright, what do y'all think? Do you think these colors suit me? Do you think I got totally the wrong colors and I need to get something redder or more purple or whatever you think? Let me know, because I really have no clue what I'm doing. And I'm really trying hard to find a nice color that suits my lips. Yeah, I think it looks good. It's not too much. It's, you know, it's not too subtle. But I think I wiped off all of my concealer I had on top of my lip. Didn't do a swatch of this one. So this is the Songbird lip gloss, the Spirited Away luxuriously lucent lip color, and the Painterly. So that gives you an idea of what those colors are. Y'all, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.